Could the USMCA be at risk under a Trump administration? The future of the United States-Mexico-Canada Agreement, known as the USMCA, is once again under scrutiny. Former President Donald Trump has raised questions about whether the trade deal should remain in its current form, signaling a possible shift in U.S. trade policy if he returns to office. The USMCA replaced NAFTA in 2020 and governs trade between the United States, Mexico, and Canada. It plays a critical role in the North American auto industry, where vehicles and parts often cross borders multiple times before final assembly. Because of this integration, even small changes to trade rules can have large economic consequences. Trump has suggested that the USMCA may need to be renegotiated, weakened, or potentially replaced with separate bilateral agreements. His argument centers on the idea that the deal does not do enough to protect U.S. manufacturing jobs or reduce trade imbalances. This approach aligns with his previous America First trade strategy, which relied heavily on tariffs and tougher negotiations. For automakers, the possibility of withdrawing from or rewriting the USMCA creates serious uncertainty. Car companies depend on stable, long-term trade rules to plan factories, supply chains, and future investments. Many automakers have warned that disrupting the agreement could increase production costs, slow manufacturing, and ultimately raise vehicle prices for consumers. Mexico and Canada have pushed back strongly against the idea of abandoning the USMCA. Leaders in both countries emphasize that the agreement is legally binding and essential to economic stability across North America. They argue that dismantling the deal would hurt all three economies, not just the United States. Industry experts note that the USMCA already includes a formal review process scheduled for 2026. This review allows the three countries to assess the agreement and make adjustments without tearing it apart entirely. Many businesses support using this process rather than introducing sudden changes that could shock the market. At the moment, the USMCA remains fully in effect. However, Trump's comments alone are enough to raise concerns across the automotive and manufacturing sectors. Uncertainty around trade policy can delay investment decisions and weaken confidence, even before any official action is taken. In summary, while the USMCA is not being canceled today, its future could become a major issue in the next U.S. administration. Whether through renegotiation, reform, or political pressure, the agreement may face significant challenges ahead, especially for the auto industry that depends on seamless cross-border trade.